I was saying, I want to make her expression like really fun, like that, like this is not completely like it looks like a ghost. Stop. I'm thinking of her having hair over here and like really big what do you call it? I don't know, earrings. Yeah, really big earrings. Or we could have her with like two buns. That sounds good. That sounds nice. We could have her with two buns. Let's just make two buns. Sure. Let's speed up the process, shall we? We're gonna make the rest after because I'm very lazy. Yes, I am lazy. So we're gonna make her have thick eyebrows. Get it? Thick eyebrows. We're gonna make her have thick eyebrows, like very thick, because I also have thick eyebrows. I love thick eyebrows. Okay, those are too thick, but you get the idea, right? Oh, wrong there. Yeah, thick eyebrows. Let's erase them just for now. We're gonna make the eyebrows. We're gonna make them thick. Okay, so basically the shape of eyebrows are this, and like they're just like two triangles. Triangle number 1, triangle number 2. So we're gonna make an eyebrow. Hey, look at this eyebrow. Triangle number 1. Actually, these are also this is also an eyebrow type. I love, like, these eyebrows are so fun, but it's very hard to style them. There we go. We can erase the between that. How do we, yeah, like that. Let's see the results. Okay. I actually don't draw with guidelines. I just draw whatever my heart or whatever my gut tells me to do. I follow the flow. What am I saying? Okay. Let's just draw an eyebrow. Okay, just a simple eyebrow. Yes, now this is what I'm talking about. Okay, like that. Perfection. Now let me tell you another tool. Go to menu. Wait, no menu actually. Go to this. I don't know what to call it. Go to this. It's called selection. It's called the selection tool, and then you select whatever you want to, and be sure to be on that layer. Like, I'm on this layer, but if like I want to select the eye, and I'm not on the eye layer, okay? Ooh. If I'm not on the eye layer, look, I'm not on this layer, right? And I choose a selection tool and I select the eyes. It won't select anything because it needs something to select. Look, the selection is empty. You have to be on the layer to select it. Ta-da! But we don't need to select the eye right now because we're going to select the eyebrows. And let me tell you, instead of selecting one eyebrow, we're going to select both of them. Okay? Then we're gonna tap this transform tool, and then we're gonna make our eyebrowless. No, we're not gonna make her eyebrowless. I feel bad for her. No, poor soul. We're going to turn these eyebrows like that. We're going to follow the eye shape because I am not that good enough to make her a whole new set of eyebrows. Eye shape, right? Oh no. This sort, like that. Yeah. Okay, maybe this will work. Wait, this worked. Oh my god, this worked. Just follow the shape of the eye and it works. Okay, no, it doesn't work. It's a little odd. Okay, let's just cheat even more. Yeah, there we go. Do sort again. They're gonna shorten the eyebrow. Yeah. Who knows? You're gonna see the end result anyways. Yeah, there we go. Does it make it better? Yeah, it does make it better. It makes it a lot better. Okay. Now we're going to make another layer because I don't like the hair. And actually I thought about it from the start. We're not going to make another layer for the face because the face is very pretty. And I want to make the face again. It'll get boring. Yeah. We're going to make another layer for the eyebrows and the, the hair. Eyebrows and hair. Okay. So now what we want to do is we don't want to confuse ourselves, okay? So that's why we'll merge these layers. We're gonna select these two layers and then pinch. Select these two layers and then pinch like this. We have to pinch, okay? Now we merge these layers. If we double tap, undo merge layers, redo merge layers. We just merge these two layers. Now they're on one layer. Ta-da! I know, magical, right? Okay, so now we're going to lower the opacity. Yes, of course, we'll have to. So now we'll make the eyebrows once again. Now we're gonna add detail, okay? I'm actually like my mother when she teaches me maths. Do it again. Oh, I can't even press too hard and I can't even press too light. This is very hard. This is a very hard brush. Guys, don't use this brush. Now that I started, I have to end it, right? Ta-da! We didn't add detail. We didn't. We're gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. Okay? Good. Very good. Very silly. Very demure. Very cute. Very. Now we're gonna make another layer on top because this time we have to alag our layers. I guess it looks fine, not too bad, not too good. It'll we can work with it. We can work with it. Okay, so now we're gonna do the hair. We're gonna make her have gel on it. Okay, it's gonna be slick backed. Okay, it's gonna be slick backed. You heard me? She's gonna have baby hairs over here. Like the drawing that I did, the Betty Boop one, she also had baby hairs. Wait, I think she does. I think she does. Where's the Betty Boop one? Look, she had baby hairs, but we're gonna make better baby hairs than this. Okay. I'm gonna show you the time lapse of the drawing at the end of the video. Music, of course, some good old music. Who didn't like some music? As I said, she's gonna have a slick back up because I can't draw curly hair that well. And I don't even have a curly hair brush. I'm gonna have to make a curly hair brush. So let's just there we go. You watch me draw. You can draw with me as well. Why didn't I say that at the start of the video? There we go. It looks good. I don't wait. Let's see if it does. Okay, it looks really simple. It's the basic. Okay, now we're gonna draw curly hair. I don't know how to draw curly hair though. Let's see if I do. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, we do know how to draw curly hair. We just have to do this, like this. It's really easy. It's fun to draw curly hair, actually. We are going to have to follow this line, the circle that we made, that I made, and you're gonna follow the circle that you made. Okay. By the way, I recommend y'all to watch the tutorial first before starting the drawing so that you don't make any mistakes. Because what if you miss something and you're gonna be like, it's okay, she ain't gonna do nothing with this, and then the next step is gonna be okay, this happened to me a lot. That's why I actually quit like 3D printing. I started the tutorial and I actually ignored one of the steps, and because of one of the steps okay, I don't think it looks oh I don't know if it looks good. Okay, so we're gonna redraw it again.